Everybody, Emmett and I will go out there in the field and see how the cows are doing. We're going to go over here and go through this gate. And I hope there ain't too much noise from the sound of this mule. Should have got my other mule. It's a lot quieter than this old one. This one got a hole rusted out in the muffler. But I've had this thing here for 14 years now. Okay, you want to hold the gate, son? Okay. All right, let's shut it. We're gonna ride over here. My mom, she lives over that way. And I can't see what I'm recording. Probably a lot of wind noise. I gotta get a sock for this microphone. Caught a lot of fish in there out of the years. Normally in the summertime it still stays wet right here, but the water's flowing pretty good from all the rain we've had. And I just hope this wind's not too bad. It's pretty gusty, so you can see the trees and everything. Not even our dogs. This is my mom's place on the other side of the fence. Cows just go back and forth. Like I said, we got dogs, but they're not ours. Been kind of muddy. You can see all the ruts and everything. On Old Smokey's live stream, we talked about, if anybody watches Old Smokey's live stream on this channel, there's our 1947 Ford tractor right there. You can kind of see it running like a top. Some of these calves are, it's just a bug.
Does it stink?
No, it's like a mosquito. Some of these calves are only 2 to 3 weeks old. Some of them, like that one right there, it's probably just from the day. See if we can get over and get a closer look at it. He's probably a couple days old. You probably think we got some feed for them reaching or coming around. That and those stinking dogs are over there. They don't like the dogs. Just a little short video around our farm and back toward our house. I hope this turns out okay. Only the second time I've made a video with this phone and this microphone. It might be too windy or not. We'll see. There's a corral and stuff here just behind our house. Barn where we keep all the extra hay and stuff. There's the creek. Now down here in the summertime, this here will be, actually the creek's over that way a little bit. The water's up, so it's kind of closer here. Yeah, just get that piece of paper there, son, and throw that in the trash. Thank you, Emmett. And now we're headed back to the house, back through the gate we came in. Nice to have a young grandson. He gets all the gates for you. Some apples trees right there. We have yet to get apples off of them. It's kind of old and rusty. Almost. There you go, son. Good job.
I'm all about those dogs.
Yeah, I wish that gate would keep them out. A little faster. Okay, son, right there. Good job, Emmett. Well, that's a little tour of our back here in the back where the cows are. Thanks, everybody, and bye.